Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you are a regular user on TikTok, you will agree with me that this lady that you see on your screen is making everyone on TikTok go crazy, and that's because she's been able to do something that everyone just wants to engage with. Now if you don't know what she has done, you may not understand, but if you are on TikTok, you know that she has done this beautiful sound that everyone wants to use this sound. All right, she converted the SpongeBob song into something very beautiful. She converted it into an Afrobeat sound. Now everybody wants to vibe to the sound because the sound has gone viral. Now if you don't know, let me quickly play you the song so you can know what the song sounds like. Alright guys, now you have an understanding of what I'm talking about, right? That is the SpongeBob SquarePants song, okay? But that's not what I really want to talk about in this video. In this video, I want to talk about 5 marketing strategies to learn from the SpongeBob viral song. Why is this song going viral? Why did it go viral? Why does everybody want to jump on the song? I'm going to tell you in these 5 marketing strategies. Now, this is for you. If you do a business online, you can learn something from this video, right? So please make sure you take note of this. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business, and that's why we are always picking something very interesting, something about marketing, something about sales, something about making money online from everything we see on the internet. All right, if you're ready to learn with me, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you 5 marketing strategies to learn from the SpongeBob viral song that is on TikTok. All right, now number one out of the 5 marketing strategies to learn from the SpongeBob viral song, number 1 is grabbing attention. This song is a very hypnotic song. It's a very beautiful song. It's a song that is making everybody to want to sing, to want to dance. All right, now how do you apply this in your business? You need to understand that attention is a very powerful currency. Attention is very powerful in your business. If you want to get audience, if you want to get more customers, if you want people to rush to you and buy stuff from you, you have to find a way to grab people's attention. However you're going to do it, I don't know, but you really have to find a way to grab people's attention, and that's what the lady did in the SpongeBob viral song. Why? How did she do this? She picked a song from the SpongeBob series and converted it to Afrobeat song. And if you know what is happening in the music scene right now, you know that Afrobeat is a very, very powerful sound in today's music industry. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is to create value. We all know that she's a singer. She's not just there posting this today, posting this tomorrow, posting another thing, and everybody's getting confused. No, we all know her that she is a singer and she posts values on her TikTok account. All right, that is number 2. So if you're going to make sales in your business, if you're going to be making getting more customers, if you want an audience that are dedicated to following you, to pay you at the end of the day, you need to make sure that you are giving out value. You must find a way to educate people. You must find a way to nurture them. You must find a way to give them something that will always make them to come back to you, and that's what creating of value is all about. Okay, that is number 2. Number 3 is consistency. Consistency is so powerful, and we cannot finish the topic of consistency today. Listen, if you really want to make people trust you, if you want people to trust you in your business, as long as your business is online, you need to find a way to stay consistent. Okay, it's not just about the quality, it's not just about your price, it's not just about what you're selling, it's about staying consistent. You have to make sure you are showing up every day. That way you can build authority, you can also build reputation, you can also make people to trust you. So whenever they need something that is related to your business, the first person they will think about is you and your business. And that's why consistency is very important. Apart from that, consistency helps you to grow in your choosing field of business. All right, that is number 3. Number four is understanding your market trend. Okay, this SpongeBob viral song is going viral not just because of the SpongeBob program, not just because of the sound. Okay, the lady understood the market trend. She understood the market trend and she applied it to her sound, and this made the song to go viral. Right now she knows that SpongeBob is a very nice series that people love to watch. People have been following. There's a very high dedicated amount of audience who are following SpongeBob. And apart from that, on this side, Africa is selling Afrobeats to the world, and a lot of people want to vibe to Afrobeat sound, and that's why the combination of these two has made this song go viral on TikTok. And that's why if you're going to make your business grow, you need to understand the market trend. You need to understand what is happening in your business. You need to understand what are the new things, what are the new innovations, what are the challenges that lots of people are talking about. If you can understand market trends, you're going to grow your business to a very, very large industry, large business that can actually bring a lot of money for you in the long run. Okay, that's number 4. Number 5 is to sell to a targeted audience. There are lots of people in the world that needs your service. There are lots of people in the world that are that are just online there. Okay, now you are not in the market to sell to everybody. You need to understand that your business has a targeted market, has a targeted audience. So if you are on the internet, if you're going to sell your business, you need to understand who are your market audience. That is one of the reasons why the SpongeBob viral song is going viral. There are some particular people that enjoy watching SpongeBob Squarepants series, okay, and there are sets of people that love Afrobeat music. So the combination of these two makes this SpongeBob song goes viral, and that's what you need to understand in your business. If you can understand these 5 things I've mentioned, if you can apply them to your business, you are going to grow your business to a very big business that can pay you continuously. Okay, these are 5 marketing strategies to learn from the SpongeBob viral song. All right, I believe that you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, please kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, if you want to learn stuff from me, you want to learn how to make money online, you want to learn anything about doing stuffs online that will put money in your pocket, go to the comment section and drop a comment. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you have any questions for me, drop it in the comment section. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.